Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to use form controls spin button in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. To use form controls, it is necessary that your developer tab is active. In case it is inactive, you will have to activate from File, Options, Customize ribbon. In popular commands in main tabs, this tick should be on. Click OK. Now, what is this data all about? In the first column, we are having product. Second column, it's quantity. Third column, price, and the total. So this total is the product of B2 and C2. Now we want to use the spin button. So go in insert, just drag and drop. Now I will have to link this spin button with the quantity sold, that is with B2. So right click on it, format the control, cell link B2, click OK. Now just see what it does. Press 1. So it will give me the total 2, 3, 4. Still I can format it more. Right click on it, format the control. And the incremental change, I make it 3 at the increment of 3. Now just see 8, 11, 14. So this was all about how to use form controls spin button in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.